Salam. If you're wondering how to use AI to build a social business,
then join Sirage. Start by selecting a problem and explore existing business solutions. Pick one to understand the model, then build your venture in 7 simple steps. Start with the name, where our AI-powered name generator will suggest a list of great names for your business. Let's take, for example, Baraka Bites. Next, design your logo with our AI image generator that will instantly illustrate various options and ideas for your brand. Then, build your website using our engine that will save you time and money in picking the right template or software featuring a beautiful design with complete functionalities. Content is key. By using our AI content generator, you'll be able to create the right content in the right place for your target audience. By integrating a payment gateway, you'll convert your audience into clients and get promoted through affiliate programs and influencer marketing. By connecting with our directory of influencers, you will benefit from speed to market and global reach that will allow you to expand and grow. A growth that can be scaled through our network of impact investors all around the world.
build impact today with Sirage at sirage.net.